Well, first time in this beautiful public park in Chiang Mai today for my bodyweight workout, micro workout session. 16-17 minutes. It was tough. I haven't done it in 2 or 3 weeks. Because of all the travel. Anyway, first introduction to the park today. A friend told me to come here, so I hadn't heard about it yet, and it is fantastic. It's definitely the best, very, very inspiring place to work out because it's just got, you feel like you're in the middle of nature, but you're in the center of town, which is lovely. Anyway, so tomorrow I will make a video of the actual workout, so you guys can see how I do that without using any weights, purely using my body as my gym, primarily push-ups, planks, all kinds of planks, classic, sideways, backwards, all kinds, 14 variations of planks, headstands, all kinds of other things like handstands and so on. So I'll put that in a brief clip so you can see what this guy here does and why I'm doing it here, because it's better for me than it is in the big smoggy, smoky cities, despite the burning season coming. I'm not too scared of that. I will deal with that, folks. Anyway, fantastic to be in Chiang Mai, fantastic to be able to come to this great park. It's very, very nice in the evening. I'll start going in the morning too. If anyone wants to join me, I'm happy to show you what I do and help you along the way to improve your fitness and health. Just let me know if you want to join sometime. All right, Rob here, robshealthcrunch.com. Go there for some real super food, fitness, lifestyle advice. All right, bye-bye. And I'm not selling anything, by the way. It's just my fucking blog, okay? Where I write and show everyone what I do. That's all. All right, thank you very much.